is now going to stall sort of offshore. Not going to stall right on top of us, so I'm not calling for a washout like a 24 or 48-hour period of rain, but it's close enough. All right, it's in our waters, so we remain unsettled now for really the entire weekend. But I want to explain why this is it's not a dire forecast. Looking outside right now, you can see the clouds are getting thicker. The storms are closing into the metro areas. 83 degrees, feels like 89 right now. High temp in Central Park was 87. I saw an 85 that felt like 93 at one point earlier today, so I'll have to check in on what the 87 maybe maxed out at was as far as the feels like temperature. But New York City and Central Park did not establish a heat wave. But you did have a heat wave for Newark, hitting 90 today. A heat wave, a low-grade one for LaGuardia, hitting 91. So few spots out there had it happen. What do you expect? Well, it was a degree cooler today than it was yesterday, and yet today felt significantly hotter than it was yesterday. Rain chances are now back. There's some rain out there right now, and those rain chances will be with us for the entire weekend, maybe more so Saturday than Sunday. So whether you're going to the beach or the mountains, all right, the mountains will have cooler temperatures than the beaches over the weekend. Both the mountains and the beaches will have a chance for rain on Saturday and on Sunday. Further east you go, there's still a rain chance now for both spots as well. I think probably the driest period as far as like if you're really chasing, if you're chasing the best weather, I think it's going to be Sunday, north and west. So I think the mountains on Sunday will find the best weather, and then you're going to break into the, the really nice weather later in the day on Sunday. Vortex radar and satellite shows you this big old yellow box right here over those areas north and west of the city, and that's where we have a severe thunderstorm watch right now. Stays in effect until 11 o'clock tonight. You can zoom in tight. We do not have any severe cells currently with us, but what you see right here around Ramapo, now into Rockland County, actually a pretty decent little cell. The hail is not big enough to be classified as severe, but I'd like to track this because the problem is it's starting to elongate, and you'll see another cell right here that goes quite a ways, like from portions like around Warren County, a little deeper into Pennsylvania. Those are training showers, and they can cause some flooding problems. So this cell right here, and there's some leading activity as well, but this particular cell around Clarkstown gets to Yorktown 650, Carmel at 712, New Milford at 750, and Menia around 811 tonight. If you look at the futurecast and whether we see any of that rain come right through the metro areas, yeah, you betcha there's a chance of it. The actual line, which is currently into, say, central and eastern Pennsylvania, it's going to be over the metro areas, I believe, by about 11 p.m. Now, it may not drape itself right over everyone, but it's in the vicinity. So just know if you're heading out tonight, I want you to take an umbrella. I'm going to have one. I think there's a possibility to see the rain out there. That's 11 p.m. tonight. Now you go into Saturday morning. More clouds than rain to start off your Saturday, but we're unsettled because that front somewhere off here provides the instability, and there you go. Some folks catching the rain, some folks not catching the rain. May be able to carve out a little visit to the beach here or there, but wherever you see the yellows or the reds, that's what you have to pay attention to because it's a possibility. Not everybody getting it. Here you are, 8:30. That line is pushed off to the east and south. So, again, it's looking better for the mountains for your day on Sunday, and I think some of that rain could linger a bit east and south, especially on Sunday. That's 6:30 Sunday morning. Notice the rain chances are not widespread for Sunday, but I just want you to know it's still a possibility. So I'll get right to that 7-day forecast now so you can see all the numbers across the board. 84 for Saturday, only 78, Dana, for the high temperature on Sunday. Both days with a bit of a rain chance. It's a higher bet for Saturday than for Sunday, but both days with a bit of a chance. Monday, you're 79, Tuesday, 81, and then you get into next week, you're 85 Wednesday, and the rain chance starts to return Wednesday going into Thursday. So it's just kind of unsettled again getting into next week.